This is my baby. She's 4 months and she's a wonderfully behaved, smiley, happy baby. Yeah, happy, happy, happy. She's very happy. She likes to smile. And she likes to giggle and laugh and do all kinds of cool things that babies do. Right? Yeah. And you know what's interesting, when I take her out in public, I get all this advice. Unwanted advice. I'm just out with her, right? We're just out. And people are like, you shouldn't have her head like that and that snuggly. Or in your bajorn. Oh, her head. You gotta fix her head. Her head is like, I was like, who are these people? Why are they giving me parenting advice when they're not a parent? Or maybe they are a parent, but, you know, I just like, why am I needing this advice from you? You know, everything's fine. Actually, she likes to have her head like this, believe it or not. She's used to sleeping like that. So it's just all this parenting advice that I didn't even ask for. Oh, did you know your baby is in a weird position right there? You need to fix it. And I was like, when did you become my mother? Hello? Did you know she likes to sleep that way? She likes to sleep upside down, right? She likes to sleep upside down, like in this kind of weird ass position. She likes that, you know? So why are you giving me advice? Who are you? So it's just all this weird advice, just like unwanted. I'm like, yeah. I've got to the point where I was just like, whatever. And there's also that time, you know, I also have another child. When she's a toddler, she used to throw temper tantrums in the middle of the grocery store. I wouldn't go shopping, and I'd be like, oh no, not another tantrum. It's like there's these little drug addicts. They just throw these tantrums when they get tired or hungry or bored or frustrated or they don't understand the word no. And she's like, wah! Kicking and screaming and throwing crap, and all these people are looking at me like, ma'am, why can't you control your child? Because she's freaking throwing a temper tantrum. You can't talk logic to her. So I try picking her up, and she becomes like strong, like 20 muscle men, and she's impossible to pick up when she's like that. So I just let her throw her temper tantrum, and people are looking at me like, you're the parent here, do you need help? I was like, no, she'll be fine. Just give her a few minutes to calm down, for her to, you know, no longer be in that insane temper tantrumy place, and she'll be okay. And meanwhile, everybody's like looking at me like, oh my god, that woman, that baby, that child, get them out of here. And I'm just like, I've gotten so used to temper tantrums, it doesn't even faze me anymore. I'm just like, yeah, payback is something alright. But children are wonderful too. They give so much love. And what, you're hungry right now? Are you hungry? She's saying, feed me, mama. This one wants to eat nonstop. See these cheeks? Cheeky loves to eat nonstop. Yeah, you do.
Feed me, mama, feed me. Feed me, feed me, mama, feed me. Feed me right now, mama, feed me. Feed me. Give me that boob. Give me that boob. Feed me, mommy, feed me. I'm hungry. Give me that boob. Give me that boob. Boom, 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 boom. Mommy, mommy, I need the boob. I need the boob now. I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. I need the boob. I need to suck the boob. I need the boob. I need a boob. I need a boob. That's life as a baby. Boob, sleep, eat, play. Yeah.